in close formation. The cadence of the drill is just like music. Listen to the intensity of the rhythm in the numerous weapon exchanges, and then watch as each weapon is blindly tossed back to an awaiting team member. Watching this sequence as the weapon manuals are sent from the front to the rear, symbolizing the rapid movement of forces around the world. They face the drill commander who stands proud and motionless, representing our unshakable core values: integrity, service, and...
Here we go, team, here we go! Yeah!
Striking fear upon our enemies. Watch as the weapons manuals are sent from side to side and from the front to the rear, symbolizing our unyielding resolve towards freedom. From air power to air and space, and now includes cyberspace. However, an Air Force condition that remains the same is the use of explosive line formation. That's the coming up. These four elite members will perform to an ever-increasing cadence without sacrificing precision. Due to the risk involved in this demonstration, only the highest qualified members may perform it.
Go! Hit it! Come on!
Ladies and gentlemen, representing every member past and